In this video, we will show you how to enable or disable Copilot mode in Edge web browser. As we know, Microsoft just released new feature on its web browsers. It's called Copilot mode. When you open Microsoft Edge, for the first time, usually it's appear web page with some links like this. When you enable the Copilot modes, it will gone and just there is Copilot and with its features. To toggle on, you can just click the settings and select settings here and click AI innovations. After that, to enable Copilot mode, just toggle on here. When you click new tab or when you open the Edge web browser, you will directly go to the Copilot. There is three options you can use here. Search and chat. This is explore the web or chat with Copilot, and ask Copilot only chatting with Copilot, or think deeper. If you have complex questions or topics, you can using this option. Also, you can using the microphone, directly. For example, we will try to conversation with this Copilot mode.
Hey, Where? I'm Copilot, and this is your first ride with Vision. Think of me as your savvy Copilot, ready to explore the web with you. Just ask me about anything you see, and I'll help you dive deeper. Ready to give it a try?
Hi, how are you?
Hey, Where? I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm great also. Can you find me the best hotel in Arizona?
I'd recommend the Phoenician in Scottsdale. It's a luxury resort known for its stunning views and top-notch amenities. You'll find everything from relaxing pools to great dining options. Sounds like a perfect getaway, doesn't it?
Okay, thank you for your suggestions.
You're welcome, Where? I'm happy to help.
And that's all. For example, how we can talk directly using Copilot mode. Also, you can also find the search and chat to show the web page. For example, how to open control panel. When you using search and chat, it will showing any web page that related, also with text answer. For example, how to open control panel in Windows 11 and hit enter. It's not open any web page but directly answer your question here. Maybe in the future the web browser will look like this. It will have full AI like this, so we can easier to ask any question that we have a problem in there. And in the next, we will also explore how Copilot mode can do. And for now, that's all how you can enable or disable Copilot mode on Edge web browser. If you have any question about this feature, you can fill in the form comments below. Thanks for watching.